Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the right backup method for your needs. File history for files, system image for a full OS snapshot. Connect a USB drive or map a network share and confirm there is enough space. Run a quick disk check if needed. Then open Settings Update and Security Backup or Control Panel Backup and restore to initiate the process. Once done, click Add a drive or create a system image and start the initial backup, so you have a baseline copy immediately. You now fine-tune the backup. Set a schedule that fits your workflow and retention rules so old backups expire automatically. Make sure to exclude caches, downloads, and VM files to avoid wasting space and include custom folders you rely on. For a full recoverable snapshot, create a system image using Control Panel Backup and restore and enable encryption or password protection if available. Monitor the first run for VSS errors. If a snapshot fails, restart Volume Shadow Copy and rerun the job. To finish, verify that you can restore. Retrieve a few files from file history and perform a test system restore or boot from a recovery USB to confirm the system image works. Create and label a recovery drive, note the exact restore sequence, and store credentials for encrypted backups. If a restore fails, check Event Viewer and backup logs, confirm Volume Shadow Copy and Windows backup services are running, and verify destination, drive permissions, and disk health. Those checks resolve most restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.